So hi guys, here I am back with a new and easy recipe which is crispy corn sticks. First you need to make like this stick and I will teach you how to make the sticks. Now first we need to cut the corn with a stick. So first keep a stick like this, put your finger here and then just take the measurement. If your corn is big then you can take the measurement. Otherwise I have cut this with the help of this measurement. Now I will cut this. Now I have cut the corn in the half like this, and because of the measurement I have put the sticks in like this. So you can remove the sticks very easily. I will show you. You can see. Now I will cut the corn like this and you can see how nice the sticks come. Now I will make everything of this corn also and then I will show you the next process. It's very easy. You can see like this. It's a very easy snack time recipe. See, like this. And this is actually the recipe which we should eat in monsoon. So this is the best and easy recipe. Now I have cut all the corn like this into the stick. Now the next process is to boil them for just 4 to 5 minutes. Now our corn sticks are ready. Now we will boil them. You can see how the water has been boiled. Add some salt in this. Now we will add the corn sticks in this. We will just boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now our corn sticks are nicely boiled. Now the next step is that you will need rice flour and corn flour. 2 tablespoons rice flour and corn flour. Now we will remove the corn sticks from it and now we will add the corn sticks in this. Now we will first cool down the corn sticks for about 2 to 3 minutes because they are too hot. After cool down of them, then we will add the corn flour and rice flour. Now our corn sticks are nicely cooled down. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Now we will mix them well. Now we will add salt as per your taste and then now we will mix them well. Now I have coated all the corn sticks nicely with the corn flour and rice flour. Now we will refrigerate the whole ball in a deep freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can see the corn are nicely coated. Now we will keep this corn sticks for about 10. Now our corns are nicely being freezed for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now you can see the oil is hot. Now we will add all the corn sticks in hot oil carefully. Now till corn sticks get nicely fried, till that time we will make the spice mix. It includes red chili powder. Now we will remove the corn sticks and after this we will make the spice mix. Now I have removed the corns. Now we will continue the process of spice mix. This is red chili powder. Everything is 1 spoon. This is half spoon. Chaat masala. This is jeera powder, 1 spoon. This is amchur powder. This is salt. And this is black pepper. Now we will mix it all nicely. Our sticks are nicely fried. Now I will add the spice mix. You need to add a little bit, or if you want spicy you can add more. Now we will mix them all well. It's important to mix it all well so that the spice mix gets coated with all the corn sticks. So guys, if you like this video, please share subscribe and like, and don't forget to press the bell icon. It's a very easy snack time recipe. Please try it.